Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making spicy bombil fry recipe that is crispy on the outside and full of flavor inside. Cut and clean the bombil Bombay duck properly. Remove the head and innards. Wash thoroughly under running water and drain excess water. Pat dry for a crispier fry. Add salt to taste. Turmeric powder. Homemade masala.
Yes.
ह्याच्यामध्ये
Coriander leaves and green chili paste. Mix well and marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Prepare the coating by mixing fine rawa and rice flour, pinch of turmeric, red masala and salt. Coat each marinated bombil evenly with the rawa mixture. Heat oil on a tawa or frying pan. Place the coated bombil carefully.
फिरावं लागेल म्हणजे ती पण आता किती टाकते ही सरा
Fry on medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. If you liked Bombil Fry recipe, then like video and subscribe to the channel for more tasty seafood recipes. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this recipe with your friends and family. Hope you enjoy recipe.